'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might.
He took my drink and then tried to take unfair advantage of me.
What's up, ladies?
The nerve. Half men. Whoa, Papa rapist.
But why are you calling a rapist?
Pull the cap fix. Let them worry.
Charlie, Sean. Sean, you know the here.
Who do we have here? Always ready to do the master's bidding. The adjutant. Or is this the age they come?
You see what I did? I said they are not worth it, okay?
Did I hear you right? You scoundrels. You think just shouting yourself hoarse makes you men, huh?
Charlie, bodyguard, watch out. Go! Let's go. Bodyguard.
Isn't that my phone?
What's happened to you?
Aliyah, I've just been robbed. My handbag, mobile phone, everything gone.
I thought so too. You don't mean.
Hey, there is only one way to find out.
Oh, you guys, are you sure this is a safe thing to do?
I'm shocked. Sometimes I don't understand why I'm so soft.
And then sometimes you have to do your competence.
Can I see the phone you were just using? You received a call a while ago on a Sony Ericsson. Let me see it.
The impudence. You have the nerve to come up here and then ask to see my phone? What the hell for?
My friend, we believe it is stolen property.
What are you saying?
Simple. Just show us your phone.
You have no right. Yeah, Carlos, let me call you back.
I'm sorry, this is not my phone.
You see? I told you to be careful.
I still have a funny feeling about this.
Charlie, are you sure you checked the phone well?
It looks exactly like it. And strangely enough, he uses the same ringtone. But mine has a different scratch on the side. I hit it against something. Look, I still say we report this boy to the authorities. You're a nuisance.
Charlie, guys, make sure. I just can't believe you guys let off those girls so easily. How? I just a shock.
Me, I just won't sleep.
How? This is unbelievable. I just shock. Hey. What's the game? Charlie, you guys just got 2 phones. So now you started using your own merchandise, eh? You have become completely reckless. I'm sure the other phone was what she was referring to.
Charlie, why? You man Kusita, you're way out of line.
Yes, I am out of line. And that's the point I am trying to make. Look, I don't want to be any part of this. I'm out of here.
Suit yourself, chicken. So it was cool when doing small stuff, man. When it comes to the real McCoy, what do we get? Tail between the legs?
Look, those were juvenile pranks, Tiger. What you are doing borders on high criminality.
What's the difference between robbery and rape?
It does not mean that you can't stop both.
Yeah, hello, Carlos.
What the hell is going on? When are you going to call me back?
I was just about...
Don't mess with me, boy. You'll be joking with your life. Now, what is it I hear about you and that idiot girl called Sweetie?
I can't talk on the phone right now. Coming over.
Tiger, you and I have been friends since primary school. We've done everything together. The good, the bad, the ugly. We've seen it all. Which I believe you're in dangerous territory. It's not too late to settle the link.
You're still there. I thought you would have left by now.
We live in very dangerous times indeed, but we will persevere. I can tell you for certainty that the university breach on the privacy of its students. We've engaged the police. At the same time, we are trying to beef up our own internal security.
Sir, this is a different kind of problem. We believe it is our own colleagues who are the perpetrators.
Well, the CID are working in that direction as well. But I have a problem with you ladies. Why did it take you so long to report doping, suspected doping on campus? Anyway, like they say, better late than never. We have a security meeting in 30 minutes. The police CID boss will be here, and I would present your list to his report.
I hope something will be done soon, sir. We don't feel safe anymore.
Sorry for the trauma, girls. We are doing our bit, okay? Very soon you'll see marked improvement in campus security. Now, this fight is for all of us. You must report suspicious characters, abnormal occurrences, and the like. A good security thrives on solid intelligence. And that is why I need you. Yes, come in.
We have company.
Who is this?
It's your boy, Tiger.
My goodness. You showed him this way, didn't you? Don't you think you're putting all of us in jeopardy? This guy could be an obvious security risk.
Charlie, you have to get you. Enough. I am still in charge here.
This guy looks familiar.
Shit. He's definitely from campus. Which way?
I am calling Tiger to dive right so that we corner the tail. And after we've cornered the tail,
Yeah.
Tiger, abort destination, change routes, and go back to campus. Do you copy?
Yes, I copy loud and clear.
Now, you stay and do an offense. Maintain phone contacts. All phones to vibe. Let's get him.
Watcher. Watcher is nothing. Peacock. Have you got a rat? Yeah, he's lying right under my feet. He's already bleating like a pig. And that's come.
You don't worry, we'll be saving some of the fun for you.
Any problem?
There's no response. Still, no response. It's a problem.
This is Brigadier Security. You are completely surrounded. Lay down your weapons and stay where you are. You are under close observation.